Oh wow. Let's just take a second and soak this in. GoPro actually gave us something. After years of waiting, silence, random leaks, and more delays than we can count, they finally teased the GoPro Max 2. And guess what? They barely said a word. Just one teaser. A few skydivers suspended midair, slicing through the sky. No dramatic narration, no big flashy rollout. Just one word flashing on screen. Dropping. Wait, what? No way, that was it? But somehow, that's all it took. If you've been holding out for a Max 2 like I have, you probably got chills too. I've been waiting so long for this. Not a leak, not another sketchy rumor. This came straight from GoPro's own feed. Just wow. Now, let's get into it. The camera in that teaser? Oh yeah, this is it. It's definitely not the original Max. Right away you can see it looks way more polished, more confident. Like GoPro's not just dipping their toes into 360 anymore, they're diving in head first. The lenses are finally centered, mind blown. No more of that weird off-balance layout from the original. It just looks right. Clean, symmetrical, refined. Honestly, this feels right. And the body, oh man, it looks beefier, more robust, tougher, built like a tank. Like it's saying, yeah, toss me out of a plane, I've got this. Then you notice those aggressive-looking, front-facing cooling fins, and suddenly it hits you. Hold up. Seriously? 8K might actually be happening. Maybe even 8K at 60 FPS? Take my money already! Let's not ignore the bigger picture here. This isn't just a teaser, it's a carefully timed move. GoPro is stepping back into the game just as DJI's Osmo 360 is preparing for launch, and Insta360 already dropped the X5. And with whispers of an X6 coming, yeah, the pressure is real. But this teaser feels like GoPro saying, we're still here. We're not done yet. Now, for us creators, this camera has to go beyond hype. It needs to deliver. From what's being whispered online, the Max 2 might pack dual 1-inch sensors, a massive leap from the tiny ones in the original. That means better low light, sharper detail, and overall quality that finally lets GoPro compete head on. But hey, GoPro, seriously, don't mess this up. Give us a better battery. That waterproof hero-style side door, bring it over. And for the love of every filmmaker's sanity, please give us a 1/4-inch thread so we're not stuck digging through adapter hell. This is getting ridiculous. And can we talk about the app for a second? The Quick app? Not so quick. It's been clunky for too long. Meanwhile, Insta360 makes editing actually fun. Reframing, AI tracking, smooth transitions. GoPro, we need this to be better, because all that incredible hardware won't matter if the software feels like a chore. So yeah, dropping may have been a whisper, but for fans of the Max series, it hit like a shout. I could cry happy tears right now. This hits different. It feels like GoPro just leaned in and said, we didn't forget about you.